Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner. I'm a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today we're taking a look at two homes. One of them is located in Upper Ajijic and the other one is located in West Ajijic, and they're both beautiful properties. But before we get started, I just wanted to say if you are looking to buy or if you are looking to sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. And if you are looking to sell, I can come do a free opinion of value for your home, market analysis, all the good stuff. And if you are looking to buy, just shoot me an email. I can send you some listings. I can take you on tour, whatever you like. And if you're looking to visit the Lake Chapala area and you need a place to sleep, we have a bed and breakfast in Ajijic Centro, and our cafe is attached to it as well. The cafe is open to the public every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We have organic coffee. We have really good Wi-Fi, comfy seating, and the bed and breakfast is awesome. We're a block away from everything. We have air conditioning in all the rooms, streaming TVs, daily hot breakfast, daily housekeeping, and both businesses were voted Best of Lake Chapala for best coffee and best bed and breakfast for the last 2 years running. And you can vote for us for this year if you'd like to at the website right here. Okay, now let's get started. We're gonna go see this first house. What I super love about this house are the views. Oh my God, they're amazing. It needs a little bit of updating, but it's got windows everywhere. I love this house, so let's go check it out.
Yeah, baby. Goza, goza.
First house on our tour today is listed at $600,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom on 2 levels, but actually there are 2 half baths. So 4 full baths and 2 half baths. 2 levels, including a mirror door on the top floor. Construction size is 462 square meters or 4,973 square feet. The lot size is 588 square meters or 6,331 square feet. The HOA is 1150 pesos per month, so about $60, $70. It does not come furnished, and it's located in Upper Ajijic. Okay, here is the home that we are looking at right now. You can see that right here is the entrance to the gated community, and it goes all the way back. So this is the gated community right here. So here's our home right here. And as you'll see, we are located in Upper Ajijic right here. This is the highway that leads you all the way from Joco to Chapala. And this is all Lower Ajijic or Ajijic Centro right down here. This is Upper La Floresta, Lower La Floresta. So it's located right behind Upper La Floresta here. There's quite a bit going on in Ajijic. This is where the largest concentration of English-speaking expats are. So there's a lot to do through here. You've got Donuts, which is very popular. You got an OXXO here, kind of like a 7-Eleven. Great restaurants. Tío Cintle, amazing restaurant. Ajijic Tango, amazing restaurant. And so yeah, there's quite a bit that you can walk to through here. It's very, very, very walkable. Okay, so our home is right over here, and I just want to point out that you've got Centro Laguna Mall here that has a food court, movie theater. There, Walmart is right in here, and then there's a grocery store, El Torito, that's right over here too. So you can go to that. But Walmart obviously will have a lot more that you're looking for. You can go do fun things in the mall over here. San Antonio has quite a bit going on. San Antonio Hospital is located right here, and your fire department is up here on the Libramiento, just FYI for emergency services. And if we zoom out just a little bit more, I want to give you kind of the scope of everything. So if the home is located right here, this is Chapala Centro, Riberas, San Antonio, Ajijic, West Ajijic, San Juan Cosala, and Jocotepec. So from this house to the nearest grocery store, which is El Torito, it is a 4-minute drive and a 9-minute walk. And if you wanted to go into Ajijic Centro and kind of do some fun things over here, walk the Malecon, whatever you like, it is a 7-minute drive and a 19-minute walk. And let's say just for fun, you wanted to go into Chapala Centro to do a little bit more shopping. It's like a small city through here. It would be a 19-minute drive. And then I know someone mentioned because of the bike path, it could be a shorter bike ride. Well, I guess depending on how fast you're going, it could be. It's a 23-minute bike ride into Chapala because we have that nice bike path now. 41-minute drive to the airport and a 1 hour and 30-minute drive to Costco, to Guadalajara, which will have absolutely everything you need if you can't find it in these little towns on the lake.
Okay, everybody, the second house that we're looking at is located in West Ajijic. This one also has excellent views of the lake. It has a nice open floor plan, and the sliding doors open all the way up so that the outside is kind of part of the inside. So let's go see it.
Second house we're touring today is listed at $685,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 400 square meters or 4,306 square feet. The lot size is 839 square meters or 9,031 square feet. It does not have an HOA because it is not located in a gated community. It does not come furnished, and it's located in West Ajijic. Second home, here we go. It is located right here. This house is in West Ajijic. So here's the home right here. This road is absolutely beautiful, and it will take you down to the highway right here. So it's a very easy home to get to. And pretty much all the things apply as did before, except now you're in West Ajijic instead of Upper Ajijic. Your nearest grocery store and easiest one to get to is probably going to be Pancho's grocery store, which is best grocery store in the whole of Lakeside. One of the best, probably, I would say, if it were in Guadalajara. And that would take you 3 minutes to drive to. Driving into Ajijic Centro would take 11 minutes. The airport would be a 50-minute drive. And if you were to go the Joco bypass way into the back end of Guadalajara, there's a Costco right over there. That would take you 1 hour and 3 minutes. There's also a Home Depot right here too, which is nice.
All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you're looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can contact me at Amanda@LakeChapalaRealty.com. And I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.